A backing field is a private field used to store the data for a property. This approach provides more control over how values are read from and written to the field. Use a backing field when validation is needed before setting a value. It is also useful when applying custom logic during value access. Backing fields help encapsulate internal data and protect it from direct external modification.